Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is it? This is a magic box. What is it inside? So many balls. Oh, I think inside we have something, but need find this. I think if I take my hand inside, I can find something. Oh, I cannot find. Oh my god, I think I have something, but I don't have. Oh guys, I have. What is it? Oh my god. Guys, look. Go up, go down. Anyone know what is it? I think I know. This is crane machine. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. This is a crane machine. Cabin is yellow. Wow. Oh, backside is green. Wow. Crane machine. Look at this. Wow. So, I think we have more inside machines. I wanna find this. Whoa, guys, look at this concrete mixer machine. Look at this truck. This truck's so nice. Whoa, this backside spin every day and every night. Whoa, his mix trucks. Really, look at this backside. Whoa, so good car. What is it? Car. Blue, really? Look at this cabin is blue. Backside blue, white. Whoa, guys. Really nice. Oh, I wanna find something more cars inside in our magic box. Look, how many balls inside. I cannot find something. Whoa, guys. Whoa, look at these guys. Whoa, so nice. Whoa, this is an excavator machine. Whoa, excavator truck. Whoa, look at this guy. Cabin is red. Whoa, backside is yellow. Wow, look at these guys. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, nice. Ooh, nice truck. Nice machine. Ooh, nice car. Oh, try find something more. Oh, I think we have one more car. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, guys, it's dump truck. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, what is this inside? I think it's coal. Whoa, coal go down. Whoa, close the door. Bam. Boom. Whoa, cabin is orange. Yes, really. Backside is silver. Dump truck. Whoa. Whoa. Dump truck. So I think we have one more car. Maybe maybe car, maybe truck. Look, let's try find something. Oh, I wanna find something more. Oh, God! What is this? Is it a cleaner machine? No, this is not cleaner machine because it's garbage truck. Yes, really, guys, garbage truck inside garbage. When he go down, garbage go down, and this car is clean inside. We close the door. Oh, open door in the front. Whoa, cabin is wide, really. Whoa. Backside this car is blue. Whoa. Whoa, look at this, guys. Look at this car. This is truck, this is machine. Whoa, clean. Whoa. So nice. Whoa. I want, guys. One more. Oh, I want something. Want something more? Oh my God. Oh, guys, I have only balls. Oh, guys, I think inside we don't have machine already. But if you subscribe to my channel, I find more cars inside. Let's do it. And next video was so many cars. Whoa.